Anyway, yeah.
Hey, Majesty is a lot of work. I have too much going on, you know. I'd rather turn it into something positive. If you tease me with something, I'll use it for adverts. So bring it on.
But would you like to clear a few rumors about you?
Like what?
I want for say when I'm one date.
Number one.
I'm sure you've heard it.
I've heard it, yo.
But I know.
Funny me, sir.
Is it true?
It's a me then with number one. Your business and
that be almost say dating or like dating or boyfriend no.
But he's a married man.
Oh, na say yeah, obet my side chick.
Oh, I did not leave somebody to come and be somebody's side chick.
Until number one rumors no.
Maybe we've met, but it's not. We don't even have like a friendship. I say close friendship. No, okay. It's mainly business.
But OTA.
Oh, I've heard it.
You heard it.
But it's normal. I'm single, so they're allowed to pair me with whoever.
I see.
You know, it's all right. Just that more say market.
Market being almost say.
I'm single, you know. I'm not looking, but maybe Dangote is there. He's single and he's fine. You people are
tagging
me with people
that you know nothing about.
Calm down.
Yes, I know more. Scare or more.
If someone sweeps me off my feet, you will know. But for now, dear, if somebody just says they are dating me, they are dating themselves.
Nti obia ni ho a obetimi aka say we de me ne no ho nti obi gina ba bi ka say michi ye me girlfriend a ye mungu enya no kore.
He's dating himself.